It's Vlogmas. My voice is getting better. It's Vlogmas day 17. Today, y'all, come on along with me as I go meet up with my girl Najeen. She's in town from Florida. We gonna head to the Breakfast Boys, a brunch spot in College Park, Georgia. But before we do all that, I need to get my oil change or I ain't gonna make it out there. So y'all, come along on today's Vlogmas. I also need to do a return to DSW and hopefully find some shoes. So y'all come with me to do that too. So just come along for the ride. Just come along for the ride, because y'all are my friends. Y'all are my friends to do this stuff with me so I don't feel alone doing it. All right, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all. I've been at this oil change place for at least 10 minutes waiting. It's called Take 5 Oil because it's supposed to take 5 minutes. It's giving a lot more than 5 minutes. This is very, very interesting here. And I'm hungry. I'm ready to go to brunch and to see Najeen and her daughter. Ugh. So I guess while I'm sitting here, we can have a little story time about my car and the oil. This car, it burns oil very, very fast. It's a 2009 Toyota Camry. And let me not say very, very fast. Mechanics don't like that type of lingo. I would say about every 1,000 miles, maybe even less, the 5 quarts of oil is depleted. So what does that mean, y'all? That means probably about like once a month I need 5 quarts of oil. So what I've been doing is like getting an oil change. Then the next time the oil is low, I go to like Walmart and get 5 quarts of oil. Then I fill it up myself. If I've gone to an oil change place where they give free top-ups, the one I'm at, Take 5, they do give free top-ups. So I get my oil change. When it runs its course, I'll come and get a top-up. Then after that, I would go to Walmart and then fill it up on my own. And then the third time, come back for, is that the third? Second, third. Yeah, then the third time I'll come back and get another oil change. So I'd say I get between like 4 to 6 oil changes a year. I think that's kind of a lot because I don't drive that much. I know I'm driving to College Park today, but that's like, it's a rare occasion that I drive like that far out. And College Park is about 25 miles from where I am. Anyways, y'all, but that's just the reality. I guess getting the oil change 4 to 6 times a year is cheaper than a car note. So, you know, like it is what it is. I'm riding it big till the wheels fall off. And I need to make sure they check my tire pressure. So make sure I ask them that while I'm here. They're gonna try to upsell me on stuff, y'all. No, I ain't got it in me. No, don't do it. Read some little, reconsider. Keep your heart 3 stacks. Keep your heart 3 stacks. While I'm sitting here, I'm like, well, I might as well go ahead and get some editing done since they moving slow as molasses. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and I could not wait for the oil change. It was taking too long, too much going on. So now I am parked near the Breakfast Boys, about to meet Najeen and her daughter for brunch. And hold on. Girl, I think so. I'm vlogging. I think so. She's trying to figure out if she can park here or not, y'all. Anyways. All right, let's go outside. Here goes Najeen.
Hi,
And the back of Jayla's head. We will not put kids on YouTube.
Oh, no, she's fine.
We have to protect her at all costs.
Huh?
We got to protect her at all costs. Ooh,
Yeah,
passion
why don't you
fruit.
need a minute?
Thank you. Can we have a minute, please? Thank you. It's the hand up on the ear for me. It's the focus for me. Jayla ain't playing no games, y'all. None. Try to get Jayla to kind of quiet down. Had to put on Baby Shark. She's a little rowdy. Her mom would get a blanket for her from the car because she spilled the water on her jacket. So we didn't want her to go outside with a cold jacket on. So we're patiently waiting for her mom to come back with a blanket to keep her warm so we can take her from the restaurant to the car. All right, y'all. So let me give you an update on the day. So the Breakfast Boys was good. Was really good. I had the vegan breakfast, which included toast, just egg, the folded kind, one veggie sausage sliced in half. It was like a medium-sized sausage, and some potatoes, like some slices of potatoes. Y'all know, like the round slices. They're not really hash browns, so that's why I say potatoes, and like peppers. So that was like really, really good. I built my own daggone breakfast sandwich. Very good. I had rum punch. That was good. My girl Najeen, she had the pancakes and chicken. Well, chicken and pancakes. That's what they would call it. Anyways, she said that was really, really good. It looked good. And then for a drink, she had a passion fruit mimosa. Y'all, I didn't ask her how her drink was, but I think it was good. Jayla had apple juice, and she had some of Najeen's food. Jayla seemed pleased as well. So it was a win-win all around, okay? First, our server, the customer service wasn't there. It wasn't there. Then about halfway through, she lightened up. She got better. So that was good. Everyone else in there, like customer service, everybody was friendly, nice, cool. The vibe in there was good. They was playing like some good R&B music, which was cool. They had an upstairs and a downstairs part. We're not too sure what downstairs was because we didn't venture down there. Who knows? They might have hookah. Y'all know how Atlanta be. Anyways, that's a spot I would return to if I'm in that area because I don't really, it's like College Park, East Point, that type of area. If I'm down there, I would definitely go back there. It was a little bit on the pricey side. My meal was about $21.95, $22, and then the drink was $13. So it was up there. Nonetheless, it's a good treat. All right, y'all. After that, I went to an oil change place off Cascade. Service wasn't servicing, so I had to just get on back to mainstream. So I went to Express Oil Change. Now, Express Oil Change is known for 10-minute oil changes. It was not no daggone 10 minutes, but nonetheless, the customer service there was good. I did tell y'all I burned oil, and I told the guy that worked there that, and he was like, well, just get a regular oil change, because all this time I've been getting like full synthetic thinking it's going to help, and he was like, you're just spending more money on something that ain't even really going to help your car, so you might as well get a regular one. So I did end up getting a regular one, which is like $51.99. I have a $7 off coupon. With tax and all that, it came up to $46.49. Now, I'm getting ready to go to DSW to hopefully return my shoes and not buy any. The only shoes that I want right now are some like khaki colored sneakers to go with some sweaters that I bought from Shein. So, y'all, let's just go to DSW and see what happens. Come on. All right, y'all. So I'm proud of myself. There really wasn't much of anything in DSW. So I went in there and I did a return. Then I was like, okay, since I'm in the mall, I'm going to walk around a little bit more. I saw Aldo, went into Aldo. Wasn't nothing really in there. Then I looked down the hallway at the mall and I said, let me just get out. This holiday crowd stuff, it ain't for me. It ain't for me. I'm going to go do one more return. Then I gotta edit some content. So that's a wrap on today's Vlogmas, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and coming along with me today. I appreciate y'all. Y'all made this day feel a lot less lonely. Even though it really wasn't that lonely because I saw Najeen. Nonetheless, I appreciate y'all coming on the ride with me. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.